I've done quite a few videos about Loy Krathong celebration in different provinces of Thailand, and now it's time for Bangkok. I'd like to start our day with my favorite part of the city, Talat Noi, which means in Thai little market. Going through elegantly aging shop houses line the narrow winding streets. Scrap metal machine shops crammed with vehicle engine parts from ground to the ceiling, and local people's much-loved homes fill the weaving alleyways. It is as if life goes on unaffected by the burgeoning, forever-growing modern Bangkok that threatens to engulf it. It's a historic riverside neighborhood in Bangkok, located on the periphery of Chinatown. Talat Noi has been home to various ethnic Chinese communities since soon after the foundation of Bangkok. Chinese shrines dotted throughout the area and still draw the worshippers. A seemingly ancient area of unique gritty streets and multicultural heritage, it's distinctly different from other parts of Thailand's capital. Baan Rim Naam cafe is one of my favorite in Bangkok. It's a very casual cafe and pop-up art space, located in 200-year-old warehouse, hidden in riverside lane of Talad Noi. Relax on the Thai cushion-style seating while watching the river go by, or hang out in the vintage furniture in the rustic garden. Expect DJs and live performances on evenings and weekends. Loy Krathong is one of my favorite Thai festivals. The previous years I celebrated it in Chiang Mai, Koh Phangan and Sukhothai. The name Loy Krathong could be translated as to float ritual vessel or lamp, and comes from the tradition of making krathong, decorated baskets, which are then floated on a river. Traditionally, krathongs are made of banana leaves and decorated with flowers, ritual sticks and a candle. Each of these components has a special meaning. The candle represents knowledge and wisdom. The joss-sticks is a symbol of purity and sympathy, while the flower symbolizes the worship of monks. Many Thais use krathong to celebrate the end of the rainy season, to thank the water goddess and worship the holy Buddha, to ask for forgiveness from the water goddess for using too much water, to cleanse the soul from the past sins and misfortunes, and to make a wish for the coming year. Bangkok is dotted with spaces that cater to a range of diverse Loy Krathong experiences, from compact settings to hectic riverside festivities that usually become the focal point for friends, lovers and families to launch their krathong. Watching the route that a krathong takes is a popular way for couples to predict what the future holds for their relationship.